today we are going to IKEA and I'm going to start my car after almost 20 days, 20 to 21 days. Let's see how it will sound. I don't think I need to clean it because after last night's rain it's looking neat. Okay, let's see how it will sound after starting 20 days. It is hot, too hot inside. Okay. This, okay. Okay. Let me turn on the AC now. Alright, nice. To reach the IKEA now. Look at the panoramic view of the Hyderabad city. Look at the another view from the road to the IKEA. We'll have to go on to the left side. On the right hand side there is parking. We are reaching the IKEA parking. Another 2 minutes. And this is the entrance. You know you did a crazy thing when you park your car so smoothly in there. Nice. Let's go ahead and visit the IKEA. Look at the numbers, like you have to follow the numbered signs to find what you're looking for. There are 28 sections where ends at delivery service. Starts from showroom entrance and ends at delivery service. Let's start and see how this IKEA store is going to look today. We were not allowed to film inside the IKEA center, but this is how the canteen looks. There was a special puppet show was going for the IKEA family members, and it was very nice and amazing to have this session, and we were enjoying thoroughly while the children were enjoying this puppet show. First thing, unboxing today after the IKEA shopping. And the unboxing starts now. Ooh. Perfect. I have another tape on this side. By the way, I'm not promoting any IKEA products, but I liked this one, so I'm showing it to my YouTube channel viewers. So if they like it, they can go and get one. Perfect. This is how it opens. Is this the way or this? Okay, this is the way how. Okay, first I got some scale. Okay. Oh, this is also taped. Very nice. So yeah, tape is open. Oh. This is a plain steel. Nice. Let's keep it aside. There is something in this corner. I think there is one more steel. Yes. This is also here. Wow. Okay, let's keep this aside. Both of them. Now let's open this. What's this piece of paper? It's coming out. Come on. Okay, yeah. Oh, nice. Whoa. This seems to be a walking stick. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice. Garbage on this side, and the sticks near this side. Let me keep this here. Let's open the main item. What is this? Okay, it's this way. Wow. This just looks wow. There's something in the small paper wrapped. What is this? Oh, this is one curved, another curved spoke, another curved spoke with these two things. Perfect. And let's keep this aside. And here is the surprise. Can you guess what is this? This looks nice. Okay, cool. Lovely. I'll have to take the manual. How to fix it? Where did the manual go? Oh, it's inside here. So this is the product. Let's see how I will assemble it. It's called bar last. Okay. Nice. What's the step 1? Okay. So first, take the manual. I don't know. If I don't know, I need to call them. No. So take the spoked 3 bars. 3 bars is there. Okay. This one is also here. And what? This 2 piece. Yes. This is all there. Okay, what's the step 1? Step 1 is put the screw under 2 plates. Okay. What does it say? This face this around and this around and underneath the screw. Perfect. So I am keeping this down. Then this bar underneath. Screw underneath. Is it? Yes. Perfect. Lovely. And on top of this goes here. Nice. Lovely. Okay, cool. Now Now I have to, what's the step? Step 1 is this. Step 2 is put the first rod. Okay. First rod. Perfect. This way here. Alright, so the step 2 is done. Here you go. I have fixed this as per the manual. Perfect. This looks perfect. This is fixed. Let's see what's the step 3. Step 3 says fix 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, 1, 2 and 3 spokes as pipes. I'm sorry. Right. There you go. Okay, let me keep this down. Yes, I kept it down. And let me fix this in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spoke 1. Let's go for spoke 2. Here you go. This is a nice fix over here with the spoke 2. Perfect. And let's go for the other one. This has a threading, nice threading. Perfect. Let's go more up. So this goes here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what a lovely fix. Perfect. Neat and tight. Neat and tight. Neat and tight. Let's see. We're done with the step 3 now. Step 4 is put this holder and hold the wire. Where is the holder? Yeah, this is the holder. Yeah. Perfect. Let me open it. Okay, perfect. Okay, wire comes out from here. Nice. Perfect. Ooh, this has a sheet. Okay, nice. This is so delicate. Oof. I was expecting that, but thank God. Nice sheet. I'll keep this aside for now. We'll go as per the step 3. It said to fix. Step 3 said. 4 said to fix the holder on top of it. Perfect. Neat and nice. Lovely. Nice. Nice. Cool. Step 4, we have fixed this holder. What's the step 5? Step 5 says is to wrap the wire. Nice. Let's fit it well. Cool. Another one. Yeah, I'll put it here because it will be easy. There it was. I put both of this in that here like this, and then I put it with this. So this popped out. Okay, so let's do according to what the manual has. So first fix this in, then put the wire in, fix it into this place, and then wrap it. These are the people. Here's the other one. You have to put the wire first inside. Neat. Yes. Neat and nice. And then here. Looks cool. The wire is typically straight. Nice. Okay, what's the step 6? Step 6 says is to take the spokes and put it inside. Curve and the bend. So you have to put, this is a direct L bend and this is a curve. So you have to put the L bend into this. I'll show you for example. Like there is a hole here. Into that you have to put it. Okay. I'm putting the L bend here. Perfect. Neat and nice. It is fixed. Okay, done. That was step 6. Step 7 is a little bit difficult. Let's see, because it's a thin sheet. It said first open it, right, and it's set to do it like this. Step 7. Nice. Go. 5. I have to hook these into each other. Okay. Lovely. This is fixed. Okay, this came up here, and this will come up here. Okay. Let me watch it online because I'm not able to fix the white sheet. Finally, I have fixed this white sheet on the table lamp, and I have this a tube LED lamp. Let's fix this. And this is 100 watts. Perfect. Nice and neat. And let's fix the top of it. There you go. Perfect. It's neat and nice. Let me see where can I place it. Let me make some space for it. I have to pull up this sofa. Yeah. And I'm fixing it here. Come on, make some space for the new boy. Yes. Yes. Perfect placement for this. Let me see how it will look after plugging in. Go. 1, 2, 3. Right? It's here. Wow. This looks wow. Look at this. Wow. This looks amazing haul. Perfect. How is this looking, guys? Please like, share and comment.